Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to be going over your first assignment, basically how to install Fusion 360 made by Autodesk, how to get that education version for free installed, getting an account on Titan, and basically finding this part and getting started with that. So definitely pause this video often and do the steps as I go over them. So the first thing we want to do is go to the internet and type in Fusion 360 Education. Be sure to not leave out any of these three words or numbers. So go ahead and search for that, and then on my computer it's the first thing that comes up here. And so we want to get it. And this can run on a Macintosh or a Windows-based PC, but it will not run on a Chromebook. So I click the Get, and you're going to need to get an account. So I'm going to create an account, unless you already have one. You're a student. High school, put down I made an email address for this lesson, so agree to the terms and go ahead and create the account. Now you're going to have to find the email address from them that they just sent, open it up, and click the verify email. So as soon as I type in San Diego, just click this one right here, San Diego Foundation, Encinitas. Should be good. And then we'll type in the manufacturing one here. We're enrolled. Doesn't really matter what you probably put here. I'll just go ahead and put August 2019. So we're going to graduate in June 21. Just whatever you want to put there. Get this here. There it is. San Diego High Academy. That's it. So now we should be good to go. Alright, so now we're on to step 2. I'm going to get access to Fusion 360. Click that. I'm going to download it. It's saying they use cookies, so we hit OK here. Do I want to download this file? If you have a Windows PC, it might look a little different right now, but basically you want to download it. Know where you're downloading it to. Mine's going to be the downloads folder. And this might take some time. And basically you're going to, when it's done downloading, you're going to double click this and install it. So that's basically how you get the account, you access to it. So go ahead and do that. On my computer, which is a Macintosh right now, I put the shortcut here. And here's the program, what it looks like. One thing the videos do not say or are different. One thing is that this tab here used to be called CAM, C-A-M. It's now called Manufacturer. But this is the exact same thing in the videos as the word CAM. The other thing is that all of the videos are in inches, not the metric system. So it's easier if you hit this arrow here, hit the units, and we can change it. And the default one that's on is metric, millimeter, and I would change it to inches. That way you do not have to type in IN after every number. So get it on inches, like mine. It says IN right there. Yours, when you first start up, it's going to say MN for metric. Okay, and so that's how you get into it. So we've covered that. So now I'm going to have you type in 3 words again. Titan CNC Academy. And when you click this, I'm going to click the first link right here. And this is his website. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Courses. So Courses, or you can click on Titan Building Blocks. If I click Courses, you can see there's right now looking at 4 courses, all really good. This is where I want you to start. So the building blocks, and the idea is that you'll make these 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10 right here. And so first thing you should probably do is click on this building block series, this first one right here. Hit start the series. But now it's going to say, hey, do you have an account yet? You've got to sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is going to track what you've done. And it's kind of nice if you close your window or something, it knows where you left off, which is kind of good. So I sign up. So I just fill this out. All right, so now it kind of took me back a screen. So now we're back where we are, except for now we're logged in. And so if I start the series now, we're logged in, and it's going to remember what we do. So you're going to go ahead and just read this. It's going to go pretty fast. This whole, so this is pretty fast. The next thing, though, that's important is that you watch this tool library video. When I click this right here, and I click Start the Series, right here, you should know that we want to download the Fusion 360 library. Mastercam is a totally different program, so just throughout these 10 parts, just everything that says Mastercam, ignore it. It's a different program than Fusion. So you're going to want to download this tool library. We have a tool library for our machines too. But it's going to go in my downloads folder here, so it's important to save it, know where it goes. Then you're going to play this video. In the video, they're going to show you how to basically put it in and kind of go over it. But again, I have to be in the Manufacture tab, and then the video is going to walk you through how to go here, the tool library, and then how to add in a library. Your screen might look a little different here, but you know, if you put it somewhere on your computer, you can basically add it in. But where you put it, it's up to you. But I can put it in my local library. So the video is going to walk you through how to put it in, and you know, it's important that you have the same tool library, and it's important that you import the library tools that we just downloaded. So I want you to watch that. Okay, and now these are kind of prerequisites to really start these 10 parts, right? So now, so we've gone first step, second step, and now we're on the Titan 1M part. And when you look at this, there are 7 videos. So this first one here, Mastercam, you want to ignore it. We're not using Mastercam. This one right here, Fusion 360, this is the first one you want to do. So you complete this, you're going to watch it. Then after that, we're going to program. So we're going to do design and then program using Fusion. So this is the first video, watch it and complete it. And then this is the next one you want to do. On this video right here, it's pretty complicated. It's a whole new language. So I would say do not fret or get worried if you're not understanding, say, like 30% of the stuff he's trying to talk about. Just try and make it through the video, and stuff will sink in gradually the more you kind of immerse yourself in this whole new you know, career, language, and CAM programming. This is definitely the hardest video, the first one. This Tormac is kind of cool to watch too, but they're really similar, these two. I would watch this one. The Tormac is just more using our machine, and our machine has a slower horsepower, so this would be good to watch too. But definitely, it's all about the design video and the program video. So check that out. And then here he's doing the second operation, basically the underside of the part. So it'd be good to watch this too. And then you can watch this one. He's going to machine it. This is kind of on the nicer machines. Tormac's what we have. So that's kind of how this goes. So then just expect that this will be the most difficult. When you look at the second part you're going to make, next week and the week after, stuff like that, this is going to get easier and easier, because by the time you're on part number 7, right, you've already programmed 6 other parts. So it's going to be a lot easier. But again, even on this, looking at this 7th part, we're not going to look at the Mastercam video. We're going to look at the Fusion 360 design. That's the first video we're going to do. And then after that, we're going to program it. Probably watch this one. Check out the Tormac one also. And then finally, you get to watch him really machining it. So that's how it's going to go. And when you click on your account, it'll kind of show you your history. It might be at the end of the school year, I have you, take a video of this or pictures, just to kind of prove you did it. But I guess just let me know if you have a question on how to get started doing this building blocks and doing the 1M is what we're trying to accomplish first. All right. Thanks for watching.